Sanskriti Kolkata has reached today 714th episode in YouTube. And I'm Lalia. I'll be showing an exclusive collection of Georgette Banarasis as well as crepes and few more weaving sarees. So I'll start with a very pretty Rangkat pattern, pure Georgette Banarasi in shaded look, very pretty deep light tone. Look at the fall. These are pure handloom Georgette Banarasis. These are not semis. These are pure hand cut. Every thread is cut by hand and it is in shaded deep and light aqua color with zari buta and border in gold. And here is the pallu and the blouse piece in aqua. Diagonal weave. And this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece, and the blouse piece of course will have the border. Very beautiful handloom sarees which will be ideal for this summer season. And also I'll show some most hot selling item, the black tone in Georgette. Georgette दिखाए और black ना दिखाए हो ही नहीं सकता. तो Georgette Banarasi in black. And we have given an exclusive contrast magenta blouse with this. Rani magenta blouse with this. This is looking so different, isn't it? So this total blouse piece concept is changing the look of the saree. Usually it's red. We have red also. Those who like the traditional combination. Otherwise, this magenta Rani is looking very, very pretty. On high demand, we are doing Georgette Banarasi video because of, we had displayed a pop-up sale or for our 30 years Sanskriti celebration, 30 years. Somebody was asking, why aren't you giving sale to the customers? So there was a pop-up sale in Facebook short video. So for that, everybody is asking for pure Georgette Banarasi in good quality, new collection. So this is a very beautiful Rangkat tie and dye. It's kind of it's not hand tie and dye. Look at the geometric Aztec print. The base color in sea green mint tone with gold zari weave. Very smart look. So ये weaving के ऊपर ये पूरा साड़ी beautifully printing हुआ है. So it has a fusion of exclusive print with exclusive weave. This is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will be in beautiful print with the border. Once again, see the color combination. Summer colors. Very, very beautiful. Price 14,500. We have more color option. This is the lavender pink color. This is the lavender blouse piece. Lightweight flowy in pure hand woven handloom Georgette sarees. Look at the colors. Super amazing. And now the one that I'm wearing. Isn't it exclusive? एकदम नया पैटर्न में है और ये वाला पैटनी बॉर्डर के साथ है. प्योर जॉर्जेट बनारसी in an exclusive hand woven पैटनी border. The color is an aqua, powder blue type color. It's grayish blue. It's beautiful tone. Look at the handmade tassels. साड़ी के साथ जो आता है. ये जो पैटनी वीव है ये पूरा मीना के साथ आ रहा है. Very smart, very different. Those who like pure Georgettes comes with this blouse piece. Beautiful sari. It's just amazing. 18,500. 18,500 और इसके साथ छोटा छोटा गोल्ड बूटा भी है. Upper border is slightly narrower than the lower border And the neck piece set that I'm wearing, this very prominent, beautiful pendant with this cute stud, 3800. You will get this in a small box, 3800. And this set, it has many, it has a pair of, set of 6 bangles, 4 and 2. 3990. 3,990 rupees with stone setting. 1, 2, 3, 4 sleeker bangles with 2 broader ones. 3,990 set of 6. And the sari 18,009, I think 500, whatever. Right? It's there in the video. The other color, it's 18,500. Now here comes the pista tone. I'll show 3 stunning colors. No repeats, signature collection by Master Weaver. Look at the pallu. Just amazing. एंड इसके साथ भी आपका ये ब्लाउज पीस आ रहा है, पिस्ता टोन. All the colors are very unique. इसमें वो रेड, रानी, ब्लैक्स ये सब नहीं मिलेगा. ये सब एकदम English colors you will get for this very new pattern. I'm sure you've never seen this weave, this design, this pattern and this type of combination with this beige color with grey, touch of mustard. Just amazing with the blouse piece. The most unique weave, designed, absolutely stunning. मैंने बस इसका सब कलर के लिए वेट कर रहे थे. 3 months later only one saree is coming. So I waited. एक साथ एक साड़ी आया, फिर मैंने अप्रूव किया, फिर बोला वीवर को you make the other colors that we set. I loved it so much. I waited another 3 months so that एक साथ ये सारा कलर्स मुझे मिले और आपको चॉइस देकर ये आपको हम दिखा सके. This beige again, this beige color with this beautiful shade of strawberry pink. Blouse pink. The combination, the color palette, the quality of the sari, it's very, very unique. From day one, I just love this. I just love this. I'm sure you will love it. One of a kind, trust me. Now I'll show some pure crepe sari, crepe Banarasi, without buta, but it has and the exclusive shikarga border. And also corner buta, konia buta. Shikarga border is this animal hunting, animal weaving with birds and figures. It's a very traditional weave of Benares with kharchola, shikarga, blouse piece. Color is the garnet color, wine color. Beautiful. Throughout the year you can wear them. Never go out of fashion. And in fact इसका demand day to day बढ़ ही रहा है. So every boota less sari that I'll be showing, उसका border और pattern अलग अलग होगा. हमारे पास और भी काफी variety है, लेकिन I'm just showing all the colors now just for you to get some choice. This is without figure. Bottle green with buta blouse piece. The one that you're seeing now is the buta blouse piece with the border. We have the turquoise one. Turquoise with the woven border. With the blouse piece. Number 8. The price depends on the weaving, also the weaver, and of course the quality is same. We've given all the crepes same quality except for the weaving. The prices will differ. इसका प्राइस ना थोड़ा फ्लक्चुएट करता है क्योंकि कभी कभी कुछ वीवर का कारीगरी चार्ज ज़्यादा होता है, कुछ नया का थोड़ा कम होता है. मे बी सेम साड़ी डन बाय अ experienced weaver and done by a newcomer, their prices of the weaving charges are also different. So थोड़ा सा फर्क आता है. 500 to 1000 rupees, the prices keep changing. So उसको पकड़ कर मत रखिएगा. You will have to understand that we will give you the best of rate and the best of quality because we are dealing directly with the Benares weavers. No middleman here. Our address 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We have 2 branches in Kolkata and we ship worldwide, internationally also. Regularly our parcels are being shipped regularly. So since we are in Kolkata, we have the cash on delivery option only for Kolkata clients. Outside Kolkata, within India, via courier. Courier charges for Kolkata, it's free. Outside Kolkata, charges need to be paid depending on the weight. Video call options available. Tailoring unit is available in both the branches. The Jamil Lane branch has more of a budget-friendly sarees, and the wedding collection and party wear collection more available in the Cornfield Road branch. Menswear section and jewelry section also in the Cornfield Road branch. Narrow bordered, beautiful purple tone, deep purple. Without figures. Corner butta. Video call timing 11 AM to 7 PM. And our store timing 10 AM in the morning to 8 PM at night, Sundays closed. Check out our short videos. Regularly we are uploading variety of short videos in all ranges, especially the budget friendly range within 4-5,000 range. बहुत सारा videos upload हो रहा है regularly. तो उसमें आप सिर्फ संस्कृति कोलकाता का ही मैसेजेस को रिप्लाई करेंगे और कोई किसी का नहीं. आप लोग जानते हैं हमारा व्हाट्सएप नंबर 7603042696 है व्हाट्सएप बुकिंग नंबर. And the number going in the screen for calling. This is a very unique new shade. It's a fudge color, mauvish fudge with a copper tone zari, not a gold zari. Very different, very, very different. जो थोड़ा सा यूनिक साड़ी, if you want to wear. All these are from our handloom crepe sari collection. Here we have a very smart looking stripe weaving sari. Very smart looking. So when you will wear it, it will be like this. So those who have that horizontal stripes will make you look broader. No way. So when you're wearing this, आपका ये part तो horizontal हो ही नहीं रहा है. with butta blouse piece. Is just how you carry it. I wear a lot of horizontal stripes and I show a lot of horizontal stripes. Be it print, be it crepes, be it weaves, prints, anything. बहुत स्मार्ट लगता है हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्राइप्स. तो बहुत सारा क्रेप का वैरायटी हम आज आपको दिखा दिया. दैट ऑल्सो आफ्टर आई थिंक क्वाइट अ लॉन्ग टाइम, क्योंकि ये शोरूम में ही सब आता है रेगुलरली. इसका बहुत डिमांड रहता है और बिक भी जाता है. Navy with red. No returns, so see the video properly. This maroon color, sleek border, small buttas, very smart sari. Stunning pop-in blouse piece. Every sari I will open for you. I'll not just show one and just put it away. I'm giving you time to see the video properly. Take your time, watch the video and then WhatsApp me 7603042696. शोरूम भी आना चाहते हैं तो आपका एड्रेस भी वहां पे जा रहा है. प्लीज विजिट इफ यू आर इन कोलकाता. इसमें थोड़ा सा ना एक बर्ड वीविंग है बीच में, हमको दिखाई दे रहा था उल्टा से. या दिस सी देयर इज अ स्मॉल बर्ड वीविंग हियर. क्यूट बेबी पिंक टोन. Very cute, very sober, soft color tone with again another beautiful blouse piece in sky. This color is a pastel sky color, like sea green type sky. More from the collection, coffee color, sleek border, shikarga border with blouse piece in contrast bottle green, figure motive. I'm usually trying to tell you which ones are figure motives क्योंकि बहुत सारा कस्टमर्स फिगर नहीं लेते हैं और बहुत सारा कस्टमर्स हैं जो फिगर बहुत पसंद करते हैं. तो हम एक्सप्लेनिंग मे बी ऑल नॉट पॉसिबल टू सी इन द वीडियो. इफ यू स्किप इट मे बी वी आर ट्राइंग टू शो एज क्लोजली एज पॉसिबल. लाइक दिस इज शिकारगा वीव. ओके, सो वी आर डन विथ आवर crepe Banarasis and Georgettes. Now I'll move on to the exclusive Jal Tussar Banarasis. Exclusive Jal Tussar Banarasis. Soft sarees because these are all pure. Summer के लिए I'll be showing some sober summer cool colors. लेमन कलर और मस्टर्ड येलो का पूरा जाल वीविंग है. इतना सोबर है इसका वीविंग. और इसका रिवर्स साइड देखिए, पूरा ब्यूटीफुल सॉफ्ट जरी के साथ ये पूरा वीविंग हुआ है. नेक्स्ट कलर ऑप्शन, पहले का ब्लाउज स्ट्राइप में था, कैमरा में दिखाया होगा. हम अगर हम बोलने से मिस कर दिया, शोइंग यू द ब्लाउज पीस ऑफ दीज साड़ीज। ऐसे आएगा बेस कलर के ऊपर ये स्ट्राइप वीविंग और बॉर्डर, ये है सबका ब्लाउज। ये जाल टसर बनारसी में। दिस इज अ लवली टोन ऑफ ग्रीनिश ग्रे कलर, थोड़ा सा इसमें ग्रीन का टच है, एकदम ग्रे डल ग्रे है नहीं, बहुत सुंदर ग्रे है। उसके साथ फिरोजा और सी ग्रीन एंड गोल्ड में पूरा वीविंग है, लाइट गोल्ड में, नॉट सिल्वर, दिस इज सिल्वरिश गोल्ड। बेसिकली इट्स whitish, lovely, not the whitish silver, goldenish silver. Very pretty, very, very pretty sari. The garnet color. क्या बात! Very, very uncommon concepts of handloom weaving Tasar Banarasis. So these are all in jal. पसंद आए तो please comment, share the video if you are liking our products. थोड़ा like और share, subscribe to the channel. And check out our Instagram reels, Sanskriti Kolkata, our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata. And also you can, this is the wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Petni jal weaving in Tasar Banarasi. That quality of Tasar is different from this. That is a bit more softer. जाल वीविंग के ऊपर, और ये थोड़ा सा मीना के साथ, ये एकदम टसर बाई टसर है, वो थोड़ा सॉफ्ट था पॉलिश के लिए। ये थोड़ा सा मतलब वो प्योर टसर वाला जो फील होता है वो वाला फील आएगा। बहुत ही सुंदर, लाइट वेट। दिस ब्यूटिफुल, इतना सुंदर कलर्स है इसमें, जाल में है ना, बहुत सुंदर। सेम टसर बनारसी बट विद बूटा। नॉट घीचा, दीज आर ऑल टसर्स विथ सिल्क बॉर्डर एंड ब्लाउज पीस, कतान सिल्क बॉर्डर एंड ब्लाउज पीस, बॉडी टसर, नो जॉइंट, टोटल वीव विथ मीना। Similar green, emerald green, katan border, pallu blouse, sari tasar. साड़ी टसर, बॉर्डर, पल्लू, ब्लाउज, कतान। सो इसमें क्या होता है ना, द मैट लुक ऑफ द टसर एंड द रिच सिल्क शीन ऑफ द बॉर्डर, पल्लू, कतान का, ये दो कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत अच्छा लगता है पहनने के बाद। वाइन कलर, डार्क वाइन, एंड वेरी यूनिक शेड ऑफ स्मोकी जेड कलर बॉर्डर, पल्लू। Very, very exclusive. And here comes the magenta. So आपका टसर बनारसी का आज मैंने बहुत यूनिक कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट और कॉम्बिनेशंस दिखाया। So hope you liked it. और साड़ी मिलने के बाद फीडबैक जरूर दीजिएगा। Your reviews are important to us. Every review, every details helps us to do better, work better, and improve on that small little problems that we face in the day-to-day operations. Tussar with Meena silver zari. Tussar Meena silver zari. Strawberry pink color, exactly like the strawberry ice cream shade. Silver zari. More from silver zari color option, this brown color, fudge color, can you see the small meenas in sea green, grey and mustard yellow? Also the border with meena, zari color, silver. Flowy fabric. Then comes the light केसर color. बहुत प्यारा कलर है, बहुत प्यारा कलर. ये है, वो था पहले वाला स्ट्रॉबेरी आइसक्रीम, नेक्स्ट वाला है वो चॉकलेट फज स्टिक वाला आइसक्रीम कलर, और ये हो गया आपका केसर का आइसक्रीम कलर. सारा आइसक्रीम, और समर में मुझे याद भी आ रहा है और खाने का इच्छा भी कर रहे हैं. Sober shades, keeping the summer season in mind. In Tussar, I'll show you one painted one. So this painting has been done in stripes. Hand painted Tussar Banarasi. Half the sari is fully stripe painted. Rest half will be dyed magenta. Blouse piece will also be in the solid color since the upper part is with stripes. This is the look once you wear it. Here the pleat. बहुत सुंदर. Another stunning piece. Lovely big butta, prominent big butta Tussar Banarasi with temple bordered meena brushing, mustard colored blouse piece. This is all Tussar with the pallu contrast. Lightweight Tussar. It's superb concept and weaving. So how you liked the video today? Let me know and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.